When the failure happens, and the failure, so that that's kind of how you have to do it. Because every day is a battle. Every day is a battle because your mind wants to choose the path of least resistance. Every day. But you don't become better by ever doing that. You become normal. And I don't want to be normal. So it may not be a life for everybody, but I find a lot of peace in not being normal in my life.
So if you could define happiness for you, what would that be?
It's overcoming yourself at all costs, whatever that takes. To be at the point of your life where you don't care about being judged. You can be in a room of 1 million people and they all hate you, and you walk in and you're like this.
These are the only ones that can fight. No problem. I will show you how fast I can be.
Because and once you do that, you have a feeling about yourself that no one can ever take away or even understand.
Life's always giving you a test, trying to give you a way out, trying to give you an excuse not to show up. You gotta have the mentality to show up every fucking day of your life. No matter what life throws at you, it's our responsibility to show up to the Coliseum of life.
Life beat me the up bad. I mean, I would.
Nova computer. No. Nova computer. Nova computer. Nova computer. Nova computer.
You boss recoil B-Boy. What's good? Systems online. What would you like me to do? Awaiting your command, boss. Available commands. Bluetooth off. Bluetooth on. Brightness down. Brightness up. Close. Close window. Decrease brightness. Decrease volume. Increase brightness. Increase volume. Launch Photoshop. Lock. Lock screen. Lock the screen. Maximize. Maximize window. Minimize. Minimize window. Mobile hotspot off. Mobile hotspot on. Mute. Open calculator. Manager. Open WhatsApp. Restart. Restart computer. Restart PC. Screenshot. Scroll down. Scroll up. Shut down. Shut down computer. Shut down. Shut down computer. Start dictation. Stop dictation. Take a screenshot. Take screenshot. Turn down brightness. Turn down volume. Turn up brightness. Turn up volume. Turn Wi-Fi off. Turn Wi-Fi on. Volume down. Volume up. Wi-Fi off. Wi-Fi on. Zoom in. Zoom out. Complex commands. Clean my downloads. Find PDF files in documents. Lock the screen after 10 seconds. Open Chrome and go to Gmail. Open File Explorer and go to Desktop. Open File Explorer and go to Documents. Open File Explorer and go to Downloads. Organize my desktop. Show disk usage. Show me the largest files on desktop. Start work mode. Take a screenshot and save it.
Nova open Photoshop.
Boss in here, what do you need?
This is Tola reporting live from Third Island Bridge, where a devastating collapse of different sections of the...
Open Photoshop successfully, sir.
Multiple vehicles trapped and rescue operations underway. Emergency services are racing against time to reach those stranded, and the situation is critical. Eyewitnesses described a significant failure of the bridge's structure, leading to a dangerous situation for many. Rescue teams are facing significant
Nova close Photoshop.
navigate through the debris. Trapped and provide medical attention.
Boss in here, what do you need?
That shows the full severity of the
Boom. Photoshop is
Program
closed.
closed successfully, boss.
and it is doing this work while it's offline. So guys, let me pause the mic for a bit. I wanted to show you what you can achieve with an offline AI assistant. As you can see here, there is no internet connected, no internet completely, but the model is working offline, completely offline. Okay, so let me put the mic on and tell it to open something, and it will execute. You see, it's offline. This is the back end, and the front end is running in a code. So basically this shit is running on our system. We are not using any AI, any API keys, any credit, no coding and stuff, but no internet. That's the biggest thing. So you can use it to open application, edit and do stuff offline. So that we prove this is not a drill, let me put the mic on again and tell it a command. Nova, open notepad.
Boss, I'm here. What do you need?
There we go, guys. The notepad has been opened, so
Open notepad successfully, sir.
nobody is using the system, but it's just open notepad. So Nova, close notepad.
Power off. Boss, I'm here. What do you need? Done. Program closed successfully, boss.
So it has not closed notepad, you can see. So let me confirm again. Nova, close notepad. Let's see.
Boss, I'm here. What do you need?
Let's see if it's going to close. Boom. There we go.
Done. Program closed successfully, boss.
That was awesome. Cool. Nova, cool. Let's see what's going to
Boss, I'm
say.
here. What do you need?
Did you hear what it said? It said awesome. That's crazy, you know. Okay.
Thanks for the feedback. Boss recoiled B-boy. What's next?
You can hear it's even calling me by my name. And bro, all this shit is happening offline. You cannot believe. Like, you can come here and see.
Hey boss, I currently cannot help you with that right now.
There is no internet. No, let this shit focus. Focus, bro. You can see there's no internet. Oh, you want me to confirm for you in the system? Okay, I'm not going to do it. Nova, open setting.
Thank you, sir. What do you need, Valerian?
Okay, let's wait. It's going to execute something. Okay, if it's not going to do shit. Nova, open system setting. Let's see if it's going to open.
Boss, I'm here. What do you need?
Boom, there we go. Is it going to open system setting? I'm not sure. Oh, it looks like it opened a browser.
Open settings successfully, sir.
We don't have storage. So let me show you. We don't have internet here. You can see. Okay, so this is an offline AI assistant that can perform a lot of tasks offline. And it's doing very good. I developed it from scratch. And this is what is recording. This is the back end. So you can see I can say, hello guys. Hello guys. Now it's not recognizing the text, but if I say computer, you can see it's writing computer and stuff. It can hear everything I'm saying, so it's running on back end. That's like our back end, that's like our server. So the server is running on the same computer where commands are being executed. That's pretty cool, and that's the interface. And just a simple UI. So I can actually say something like, Nova, open file explorer.
Boss, I'm here. What do you need?
Let's see the magic, guys. There we go. There we go. And boom. Like I'm so
File explorer successfully, sir.
like I'm so proud of myself. Let me show you a view of where I'm coding this shit. That's it. Pretty much of my stuff has gone offline. It's a simple UI, you know. It's in the middle of the night because you can see the time is pretty late here. That's the time. You need to get rich now. You need to get rich. Okay, so let me run the last command before we end this slide, this video. Okay, what's the other command I can run here? I have them in Notepad somewhere here. Let's open Notepad. Where is Notepad, bro? Oh. Okay, let me tell it. No, I have hands. It's not like everything you give it to your assistant. I got hands. Where is this application called Notepad? Okay, I'll pause the video. Guys, these are the commands that we can run. You can see these are all the commands that we can run. So how about we try a complex command and see if it's working. Open File Explorer and go to downloads. Let's see if it's going to do that. Lock the screen after 10 seconds. So it's let's try Open File Explorer and go to download open file. Okay, that's what we're going to do. So let's bring the system and NOVA Open File Explorer and go to downloads.
Awesome here. What do you need?
Let's see what's going to happen. Shit, motherfucker.
Opened Explorer successfully, sir. Opened folder, downloads.
Did you hear that, bro? It opened File Explorer and automatically went into the download folder. That's the download folder. I'm not kidding, guys. That's our backend. That's everything is running from there. So when you download this and install it inside your this is not an AI, it's a voice assistant. When you download it, it's going to run locally on your system. Did you see that? It executed the command accurately, and this shit is offline, bro. No internet. We fucking don't have internet. I'm not going to pay internet right now. You see, that's the time that we are setting up this setup. I pray and wish success to every startup entrepreneur out there working, coding for hours and